Mods make Minecraft magical. Jetpacks, dragons, reactors, and more. But one wrong step, and boom, crash screen. I'm APKA, and today I'll walk you through the ultimate 2025 mod install guide for Java Edition. CurseForge, Fabric vs. Forge, Quilt tips, error fixes, and how to keep every world safe, even grandma's. All files and sample packs are malware scanned and linked below. Grab your coffee, prep a clean folder, and let's mod like pros.
Minecraft mods equal external jar code that tweaks or adds gameplay. They don't inject into Java directly. They load through a mod loader, the compatibility glue between game and mod code. In 2025, we have three mainstream loaders. Forge, oldest, huge library, heavy but stable. Fabric, lightweight, faster updates, uses the Fabric API dependency. Quilt, Fabric fork focused on modular patches, runs most Fabric mods. Mods are version locked. A 1.20.4 Fabric mod will not run on 1.20.2 or on Forge. You match game version plus loader version plus mod version, that triangle must align. Rule of thumb, performance and QoL packs default to Fabric. Tech and Magic Kitchen Sink packs lean Forge. Quilt is for tinkerers, but it's 98% compatible with Fabric mods already. Bedrock players mod via add-ons and MCPE patchers. Different video, today is Java. 4 ways to install mods. CurseForge app, one click, ModRinth app, open source, GD Launcher, or manual mods folder drag and drop. We'll walk through each, starting with a clean install.
First, update to Java 17, official runtime since 1.18. Use Adoptium or Microsoft OpenJDK. Set the Java home path. Launch Vanilla 1.20.4 once to generate a fresh .minecraft. Copy the entire folder as backup, .minecraft_backup_vanilla. This is your rollback if mods nuke saves. Create a new launch profile, modding base. Disable cloud saves in third-party launchers to avoid sync conflicts. Forge. Visit files.minecraftforge.net/1.20.4.
Installer, run jar, select install client.
The launcher now shows Forge 1.20.4-48.2.0. Fabric. Go to fabricmc.net/installer. Choose client version 0.15 plus and 1.20.4. Tick Create Profile. Quilt. Go to quiltmc.org/installer. Select the same game version. Quilt auto-installs Quilt Loader plus QSL, Quilt standard libraries. Add custom JVM args. -XMS4G, -XMX8G, -XX plus unlock experimental VM options, -XX plus use G1GC, -XX-G1 new size % equals 20. For smoother, big mod packs. If you plan 300 plus mods, allocate 8 to 12 gigabytes, but leave 2 gigabytes for OS.
Fast lane. Download CurseForge Desktop Overwolf, select Create Custom Profile, pick Loader and Version. Search mods, click Add, App resolves dependencies, Fabric API, Architecture, Cloth Config. Hit Play, app injects correct loader arg. Batch install. Shift select 50 mods, CurseForge queues downloads, toggle Allow Alpha for snapshot mods. Export pack.zip includes manifest.json listing mod IDs, auto share with friends. Backup world files inside instances, /yourpack, /saves before updating mods.
Purist route. Navigate to %appdata /.minecraft /mods. Place loader-specific jars. Forge mods, modname.1.20.4-forge.jar. Fabric mods requires fabric API.0.x.x plus 1.20.4.jar plus mod jar. Quilt mods, often plain fabric jar. Create subfolders per profile using multi-MC or Prism launcher. Each instance owns its own mods folder, avoiding conflicts. Rule: never mix Forge and Fabric mods in the same instance unless using a hybrid loader, NeoForge plus Patchwork, but unstable. Rename jars with prefix 01_02_ to sort. Add optional config folder backup to keep mod settings portable.
Crash? Step 1, read latest.log. Look for caused by java.lang.noclassDef error. If it references Fabric, you loaded the Fabric mod on Forge. Remove or swap the loader. Missing dependency? Error says requires mod architecture 9.1.12. Download the correct version. CurseForge shows a dependency list sidebar. Exit code 1 at launch. Outdated Java. Verify path points to Java 17 Plus in launcher settings. Memory crash after world joins. Out of memory. Raise XMX. Check Sodium plus Iris shader conflicts. Swap to Optifine for Forge or disable resource pack. Server mismatch? If the client has an extra mod but the server doesn't, disable client-side only mod list and config.fabric. Most Minimap or HUD mods are safe. Update path? Keep loader, API, and mods all same minor version family, 1.20.x. Wait for mod devs to update, don't force update single core library. Use modrinse follow to get notifications. Crash mid-game after adding 50 mods? Use half split method. Disable half of the new mods, test, iterate until the offender is found. Record mod versions in modlist.txt before update, roll back easily.
Performance stack, Fabric, Sodium, Lithium, Starlight, Ferrite Core, Memory Leak Fix, Lazy DFU. Add Iris for shaders. Forge Alt, Optifine plus Rubidium plus Oculus. Essential QoL, JEI for Forge, REI for Fabric for Recipe Viewer, Mod Menu, Cloth Config, Journey Map or X arrows. Security, install Sodium Extra or Canary to block remote code exploit mods, run HashChecker data pack. Build pack strategy, start with base performance, then add categories, World Gen, Terralith, Biomes of Plenty, Tech, Create, Mechanism, Magic, Botania, Decoration, Chisel, and Bits. Test world load time, tick time, Spark Profiler. Keep MSPT less than 50 for server play. Portals. Use Polymorph to resolve recipe conflicts. Shaders, complementary reimagined for 1.20, set Iris shadow distance 160 to avoid chunk pop hen. Share pack, export CurseForge pack or multi-MC instance zip, include options.txt with configured keybinds. For servers, match mod list exactly. Server-side only mods like Lithium or Krypton still help. Use the -no GUI flag on the server jar. Allocate 6 GB of RAM for 200 mod Forge server plus iCar flags.
And that's the ultimate 2025 mod installation journey. Clean Java setup, loader alignment, CurseForge one-click packs, manual jar curation, troubleshooting flowchart, performance layers, and best practice mod pack building. Armed with these steps, you can swap from vanilla to create powered factories, FTB Infinity Megatech, or a custom Fabric minimal client without corrupting Grandma's survival world. All installers, JVM ARGs, config templates, and a starter 40 mod APKAFE quality of life pack live in the description. Download away. Post a screenshot or clip of your freshly modded build on Twitter with hashtag moddedwithapka. Best submission gets pinned next episode. If this guide saved you from exit code 1hell, smash like. If you're craving more tech lattes, tap subscribe and ring that bell so YouTube actually tells you when I drop new mod lists. Comments open for troubleshooting, drop your crash logs, paste site link, and I'll help. I'm APKA, off to write a Create Steam engine across a Terralith Mesa at 300 blocks per second. Until next time, better every tap.